what made you start? What made you start an Instagram account and a YouTube channel and all that jazz? Since you've been in this for a very long time, and you just started it. So, just wondering.
Jealousy.
Jealousy? What? That threw me for a loop.
Jealousy.
What are you jealous of?
My wife is she won't admit that she's very shy, but my wife is a very successful blogger, or I shouldn't say very successful. There's people bigger than her, there's people smaller than her, and across all the social media channels, she's got like 20,000 followers, and I'm like, that's a big number. You know, we throw around 1 million like it's nothing, but I don't know, your first 100,000 is a lot. Like, that's really, really hard.
Yeah.
And I was like, I'm gonna beat you. For no reason.
I love it.
And, totally. So I said, I'm gonna beat you, and she's like, you're not. And I'm catching up, but she still beats me across all the platforms. Now that being said, there was a reselling aspect to it. I did listen to a podcast one time that said eBay likes it when you have other avenues to your product than the eBay search bar. So if you're posting, or you have a Pinterest, or you're, like you have an Instagram, the eBay likes that. And I was like, great, cool, let me start it, and I'll start posting some of the, crap I pick up and I'm trying to flip. And I mean, you look, and a lot of the folks that follow me, and I follow them, I try to do follow for follow.
Yeah.
They all have like 150 followers. Nobody wants to see the shit that you're buying.
Yeah.
No one wants to see it. People like the numbers. People like a big stack of the boxes, which I think half of them are empty, but they make for good Instagram pictures. People like that sort of stuff. No one is going to my Instagram and going, oh man, I gotta have that coffee mug. It's not happening. But I will never tell anybody not to do it.
Yeah.
Now that being said, I changed my kind of perspective on social media from buy my crap to let me help you sell your crap. And I went from like getting maybe 20 or 30 followers a month to now I get like, I checked Social Blade before I came on, I get like 810 followers a month.
Nice. Congrats.
Yeah, and for, essentially my day-to-day in reselling and trying to help people and being more positive, even though some of the negative posts get just as much heat as the positive ones do.
Yeah.
It's just turned into something that I kind of enjoy doing, and I would be lying to you if I said, oh, I just kind of stumbled upon it and I accidentally got 7,000 followers. No, it's totally motivated by jealousy. I'm trying to beat my life.
That is so funny.